Good Wednesday afternoon, everybody, and welcome to a gorgeous central Michigan today. 42 degrees, supposed to get up to 46. Very unusual for us for this time of the year, especially the blue sky part of it. I'll take it. Haven't been doing much. 11 days ago, we had about this much snow dumped on us. About 8 or 9 inches we got on Saturday, I think it was, 11 days ago. And then, as many of you experienced too, that cold, really cold weather. So that pretty much screwed up doing anything. But I have had the microphone out on and off and haven't heard a lot. But I've heard enough now since January 29th is when this first clip was recorded. It's worth putting together and putting out there for you guys. There's some, what I believe are rock clacks. A couple knocks, some really odd vocal sounds, and the coyotes made an appearance. I apologize for the humming sound in a couple of the tracks. I finally figured out that if I get my headphone cord or the audio cord or the audio recorder too close to my cell phone while it's charging, or my police scanners while they're on, or just too close to the scanners at all, that's where I was getting this humming from. So some of the clips have a humming in them. But I figured that out, so that shouldn't be an issue anymore in the future. And Mr. Shelby went to Doc Pole's yesterday. We actually saw Dr. Lisa. Forgot to ask her to do an intro for the channel. I'll have to remember, because we're taking Onyx back on Tuesday the 14th, just because he's 14 years old, to get a wellness check. And probably going to take Mr. Wizzy too, because he's 13, and they're both not looking the greatest these days. They're both acting alright. But Mr. Selby had a severe case of constipation, so she did the needle, put the needle in him, hydrated him, and he did manage to poop a little bit last night on his own. She told us to go get some Miralax, so that's what we did, and we gave him a dose last night. And he's still struggling to go, but she said he's definitely constipated, so go figure. And he is right there trying to go potty as we speak. He wanted to come outside with me, which is fine. And then, of course, Mr. Casey and Gypsy, they just can't stand to be in the house when it's decent outside. So here's what I got. Let me know what you think, especially about if those are actually rock clacking sounds. I believe they are. And I'm going to try to get somebody to go across the river with me today, since it's so nice, and while there's still some snow on the ground. See if we can find any tracks from anything. So enjoy. Let me know what you think.